Welcome to CricNuts, cricket recaps and insights.
Under the azure skies of Jersey Hub, the Dream Cricket Pumas and Cricmax Rangers geared up for an enthralling under-15 clash. Anticipation brimmed as the young guns readied to showcase their mettle in a game that promised high drama.
Indeed, Isha, with the pitch looking as inviting as a calm sea before the storm, the toss won by Pumas set the stage for an epic saga. This was not just another match, it was a budding rivalry unfolding.
In a tapestry woven with tension and skill, this nail-biting affair saw the Pumas scrape through by a mere 5 runs in a classic neck-and-neck tussle. Each ball, a brisk stroke, painting a story of passion and youthful exuberance.
Oh, what a roller coaster. From the bountiful extras to the topsy-turvy wickets, this match was a chess game played at breakneck speed. The Pumas proved just a whisker better, holding their nerve in the critical moments.
The Pumas began with caution, but it was the explosive Jaden Budharam who lit up the innings. His rapid 32 off 25 balls formed the nucleus of their total, despite Rangers bowlers weaving a web around the rest.
Absolutely, Isha. The Rangers, led by Siddharth Krishna's economical spell, tightened the screws, but those costly extras gave the Pumas score a vital injection. The pitch played true, but nerves seemed to fray under the weight of the occasion.
Chasing a modest target, the Rangers found themselves ensnared by the Pumas' bowling prowess, led by Arpan Vijay's clinical 4 for 18. It was a symphony of seam and swing that orchestrated their downfall.
Indeed, Isha, Arpan Vijay's spell was the crescendo in this symphony. Despite a valiant effort by Soham Das, staying not out till the end, the Rangers succumbed to pressure as wickets tumbled around him, like autumn leaves in a storm.
Arpan Vijay emerged as the Pumas' talisman, his 4 wickets pivotal in derailing the Rangers. Budharam's blistering cameo, meanwhile, injected the adrenaline that propelled the Pumas' innings.
The duo of Vijay and Budharam were the North Stars for the Pumas, guiding them through choppy waters. Siddharth Krishna's spell for Rangers deserved accolades too, but cricket is often a cruel game of fine margins.
Dream Cricket Pumas emerged victorious in this titanic encounter, edging past by 5 runs. Their disciplined bowling, complemented by the Rangers' generosity with extras, scripted this nail-biter's climax.
A triumph etched by the narrowest of margins, the Pumas' triumph was a testament to their tenacity. For the Rangers, it is a case of what might have been, as they reflect on those costly extras. In the Grand Coliseum of Jersey Hub, it was the Pumas who roared loudest today. A courageous battle that will be etched in these young hearts, heralding future duels as they evolve in this great game.
The curtain falls on a duel to remember, with destined rematches looming on the horizon. The Pumas bask in their triumph, while the Rangers are left to ponder the slender threads that weave the tapestry of victory and defeat.